How to make meatloaf. Making delicious meatloaf is easy. Here's how. What you need: 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 1 egg, half a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon pepper, a quarter teaspoon red chili flakes, a third of a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon sugar or brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon mustard. Step 1. To a large bowl, add the ground beef. Step 2. Add the onions. Step 3. Add the breadcrumbs. Step 4. Add the milk. Step 5. Add the egg. Step 6. Add the spices. Step 7. Combine the ingredients with your hands. Step 8. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 9. Grease a loaf pan with some oil. Step 10. Form a loaf shape with the meat mixture and put it in the pan. Step 11. To a small bowl, add the ketchup, mustard, and sugar and mix well. Step 12. Add the ketchup and mustard mixture to the top of the meatloaf and bake on a low rack in the oven for an hour. The meatloaf is ready. Step 13. Transfer the meatloaf to a cutting board and slice. Step 14. Serve with your favorite side dish and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Bye for now!